channel. This is Cook with Tea and this is my first ever video, and today for this video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be making collard greens or spring greens depending on where you're from. So today for my recipe, I'm going to be using 1 bag of spring greens, some salt, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, some pepper, some onion. I've got some turkey here. You can use however much turkey you want, depending on, it just depends how much you want. Or you don't have to use turkey, you can use chicken or ham, but like it's usually something porky or Turkish. And then I've got my measuring cups here. I've got 550 milliliters of chicken stock, or you can use chicken broth. And I'm also going to be using 1.3 cups of water. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is add 1.3 cups of water. So I'm using hot water since I'm heating it up, and it will be better on hot water with hot water. So I've got the cooker on to 3. This is an electric cooker, so just medium heat. And I'm going to measure 1.3 cups of water out. So that's 1 cup. And now add the extra. There we go. And then the next thing you're going to do is pour in your chicken stock / broth. So this is what it looks like currently. I've got it measured out to 550 milliliters, and then just gonna add that in. Just give it a bit of a stir. And then you're gonna let that sit for 5 minutes. Okay, so now that I've let it heat for 5 minutes, I'm now going to add my onion powder and garlic powder. So literally you just need to add this to taste, and I'll just show you how much I add now. Just gonna eyeball it. You can use a fresh onion if you'd like, but powdered onion powder is just easier. And it's garlic. I'm gonna add a bit more onion to it. Okay. So now I'm gonna stir it. And then I'm gonna add my smoked turkey to it. So I'm gonna add my smoked turkey pieces. And then I'm gonna let this cook for 15 minutes on a medium heat. Okay, so now the turkey has been cooking for 15 minutes. I'm now gonna add my greens. So I've already pre-washed these greens. This is just 1 bag of greens I've pre-washed. And I'm just gonna add them in. Ooh, I've dropped some on the floor. If it's too much for the pot, it doesn't really matter because obviously they'll end up shrinking anyways. So I'm just gonna add everything to the pot. So I'm just adding everything. And then, okay, so once you've added everything, you can just mix it. To make sure everything is in, like so. And then once you've got everything in, you can go ahead and put the lid on. And we're gonna cook this for 15 minutes again, still on medium heat. Okay, so this has now been cooking for 15 minutes. So I'm now gonna take the cover. And now I'm going to add some pepper. You just need to add this to taste as well. Let me just show you how much. I do like pepper, so I'm adding quite a bit. And then next I'm adding salt. I'm just using sea salt because I feel sea salt is healthier, so just add it to taste. And then I'm gonna add some vinegar. So vinegar you do not add to taste. It's 2 tablespoons, and this is for 1 bag of spring greens. So you just, if you're making more than 1 bag, just times it by the amount of bags you're making. So I've added 2 tablespoons of vinegar to the collard greens or spring greens, and I'm gonna mix everything. And now I'm gonna cover it again, and this time we're gonna cook it for an hour and 15 minutes. So make sure it's still on medium heat. I'm gonna put it back on, and now we're gonna leave that to cook for an hour and 15 minutes. So now it's been an hour and 15 minutes, so we can now check on our greens. Ooh, looks lovely. So as you can see, this turkey is now just breaking, and you can break everything up and remove the bone. Ooh. Just break everything up. And once you break everything up, well, that is it for this spring green / collard green video. And I hope you liked it, and I hope you enjoyed my first video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below, tell a friend. Just comment below like what else you'd like to see, and I'll see you in my next video. So these are the completed collard greens, spring greens. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching my video, and yeah.